Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best red glitter lipstick is probably one of the most sought-after makeup products for those who want to add a touch of sparkle and glamour to their look, and today, we will dive into the wonderful world of red glitter lipsticks, exploring various brands, finishes, and application techniques to help you find the perfect shade and formula that complements your unique style and preferences, ensuring a dazzling and unforgettable makeup experience. Number 5. Catkin Venus Lip Balm. This luxurious lip balm is infused with a unique color-reviving technology that adapts to your lips' pH for a custom glow. It also provides long-lasting hydration and nourishment. It's formulated with skin-loving ingredients like phytosterols, vitamin E, and various oils to keep your lips soft and healthy. Experience a custom color and lip care all in one product. This balm keeps your lips luscious and nourished throughout the day. The soothing agents improve your lips' natural tone and create an ultra-volumizing effect. It acts as a lip moisturizer, giving your lips a perfectly smooth texture. It provides rich care and protection from dryness for sensationally soft lips. This pH-activated balm applies clear, then reacts with your lips' natural pH to create a perfectly pink hue with a touch of shimmer. It's easy to customize your look with natural colors. With consistent use, you'll notice softer lips, reduced dead skin, and lighter lip lines. It also improves lipstick application, making your lips appear fuller and more moisturized. What we like. This lip balm adapts to your lips' pH for a custom glow. If you have dry or cracked lips and want a natural, personalized color, this is perfect for you. It provides hydration and a subtle shimmer, making your lips look healthy and radiant all day long. What people say. It applies beautifully, it feels light and hydrating, and the color is perfect for me. It's definitely noticeable but not overly saturated. The cover is slightly magnetic, so when I put the cover back on it has a satisfying close, so I know the product won't be drying out, and the case is lovely. This leaves my lips feeling super soft and moist without any waxy feeling. Glitter and the hint of color are beautiful. No gritty feel from the glitter. These are great products, feels very luxurious. Packaging is really lovely and amazing, seriously so impressive. I gave one as a gift and my friend could not get over the quality of the container, the magnetic closure, the artwork and color. Just lovely to have and share as a gift. Number 4. Unicorn Snot Lip Gloss. It gives a high shine finish, making your lips look bright and gorgeous. Plus, it has a smooth, moisturizing texture that won't feel sticky. It has a smooth, moisturizing texture and a delicious cake scent. This holographic gloss creates a high shine and plumper looking lips. It comes in a convenient tube, perfect for your bag or wallet. Add a touch of sparkle anytime, anywhere. It's great for parties and festivals. Apply it directly to your lips for a shimmering effect, or layer it over lipstick. It's long-lasting and removes easily with makeup remover. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so you can shine bright without harming any animals. Enjoy the magic, guilt-free. What we like. This lip gloss offers a dazzling, high-shine finish without the stickiness. If you are looking for a sparkly, comfortable lip gloss that's also cruelty-free, this is the one for you. It's perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any look, whether you're going to a rave or just want to add some fun to your everyday makeup. What people say. It's not sticky at all, and I noticed it doesn't leave your lips feeling dehydrated like some do over time. Love the way the sparkle shines and isn't too much but just enough to look super cute. Glitter and gloss that sparkles and doesn't get sticky or tacky. I wore it for 4 hours today without needing to reapply it. This lip gloss gives a slight tint, but it is mostly clear and very glittery. I love the subtle plumping effect and the feel of it on my lips. Number 3. Unicorn Snot Lip Paint. Get ready to experience the ultimate in metallic lip color. It's creamy, comfortable, and delivers intense pigment with a gorgeous shimmer. This long-lasting lip paint provides a lustrous finish that's waterproof and smudge-resistant. Enjoy vibrant color that stays put, even after snacks and drinks. Choose from 6 bold and beautiful shades to create your perfect look. Mix and match to design your own unique color story. It's formulated to be comfortable and non-drying, unlike other lip products. It will leave your lips feeling soft and hydrated. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and also free of gluten, parabens, and phthalates. It's the perfect addition to your ethical makeup collection. What we like. This liquid lip paint delivers intense metallic shimmer and long-lasting wear. If you want a bold, dramatic look that stays put, this is your best bet. It's comfortable to wear and won't dry out your lips, making it perfect for all-day wear. What people say. Not too difficult to apply for a novice, and beautiful color. This is great product, stays on well, does not make your lips feel dry after a few hours. Great purple metallic gloss with no weird smell and stays on well. Number 2. KYDA Glitter Lip Kit. Get ready to shine with our new Glitter Lip Kit. It's the perfect way to add some sparkle to your look. This kit features 3 highly pigmented colors that are truly unique. They're far more vibrant and noticeable than ordinary glitter glosses. The special lip gloss primer ensures a comfortable, non-sticky feel, while still providing long-lasting shine and staying power. Application is a breeze. Just apply the primer, then use the brush to add the glitter powder for a flawless, shimmery finish. It's completely vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. This beautifully packaged kit makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. It's ideal for parties, special events, or any occasion where you want to sparkle. What we like. This glitter lip kit provides 3 dazzling colors in a smooth, non-sticky application. If you love experimenting with different looks and want an easy way to create a shimmery lip, this kit is for you. The included primer and brush make application a breeze. What people say. Glitter effect could not be better, so extremely sparkly. My biggest fear was that it would transfer all over my face, and it did not do this. I wore for 5 hours and remained only my lips. My lips stayed perfectly colored and sparked from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m., with much food and drink in between. Very impressed, and I received a number of comments and compliments on the unique lip style. Stayed on for 8 hours minimum, and I ate. Number 1. Boobeen Glitter Lipstick. Get ready to experience the ultimate in lip shine and hydration. This lipstick offers a unique blend of color and care, leaving your lips feeling soft and looking radiant. It comes in 5 stunning shades to match any mood or occasion. Each shade delivers a vibrant, glossy finish that's sure to turn heads. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly, providing even coverage and a comfortable feel. You'll love how smoothly it applies and how beautifully it looks. Enjoy hours of dazzling shine without constant reapplication. It's highly pigmented, lightweight, and long-lasting, so you can feel confident all day long. This lipstick is as easy to remove as it is to apply. Simply use your favorite makeup remover for a quick and effortless cleanup. Looking for a thoughtful present? This lipstick is perfect for friends, family, or anyone who appreciates a touch of glamour and luxury. It's suitable for all ages and skin tones. What we like. This lipstick gives you a beautiful metallic finish while keeping your lips moisturized. If you're looking for a comfortable, long-lasting lipstick with a touch of sparkle, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding a subtle shine and vibrancy to your lips. What people say. Love the color. Good quality. I used Chanel for decades, and when they discontinued my color again, I decided to try this. It is, believe it or not, as nice as Chanel. I have purchased 2 colors in this lipstick, lovely sparkles and creamy texture, very quick delivery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.